Step out of the car.
No, for what reason?
Come on,
Step out of the car.
You wanted to step out, so come on out. So
For what reason?
Because we told you to, and that's an order. And that,
For what?
I asked you for your driver's license and proof of insurance.
But for what?
For the traffic stop. For speeding,
Traffic stop.
for not stopping at a stop sign.
it's up to you at
Can
this
you
point.
prove me the traffic stop?
On September 26th, 2026, at 10:13 p.m., Officer Genty pulled over a driver for doubling the speed limit, but the stop hit a standstill when the driver demanded proof before showing his ID.
Keep the door closed. Roll the window down. Roll the window down.
Why not?
It's a traffic stop. Roll the window down.
Okay.
Close the car. Turn the car off. Put the car on. You can put the keys on the dash.
You can take it.
Thank you. My name is Officer Genty. I'm with the Mount Prospect Police Department, okay? I stopped you for a few things. The first was your speed. Do you know how fast you were going when you passed me?
I was with the speed limit.
How fast were you going?
25.
You were going 25?
Yeah.
Where are you coming home from?
I'm coming home.
From where?
I don't answer questions.
From where?
I don't answer questions.
You don't want to answer questions?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. My speedometer said you were going 55.
Can I see it?
Not right now, but eventually, sure. Second thing, I turned around to catch up to you. You didn't stop at the stop sign.
I didn't stop on the sign.
At the stop sign, at Burning Bush. Do you remember the stop sign there?
Yeah, I know it's right here.
Didn't stop there.
I'm sure I stopped there.
Okay, the third thing, when you turn into the apartment complex, you didn't use a turn signal. You got to use your turn signals when you make turns, okay?
Yeah.
So 3 different traffic violations, okay? Is this your home?
Yeah.
Are you just coming home?
Yeah.
We have to first identify who you are.
What do you mean later?
Later.
Yeah. What?
I need your driver's license and proof of
No,
insurance
what do you mean
first.
later?
Okay, I need your driver's license and insurance.
For what?
This is a traffic stop.
Yeah. For what?
I told you, for speed, the stop sign violation, and the no
Yeah,
turn.
but can you prove it?
I'm not going to prove it right now. I need a driver's license and proof of insurance first.
I want you to prove it. Can I step out of the vehicle?
I do not want you out of the car right now.
No, I don't have nothing. I mean,
That's fine. It's safer for both of us when you're in the car, okay?
I don't have guns.
Perfect.
Or some, you know.
I'm not going to have you get out of the car until I have another officer here, okay?
Okay.
Like I said, first the driver's license, then proof of insurance, and then in a few minutes I'll verify the speed.
What exactly do you mean it's coming later?
In a few minutes. After I get...
What does that to mean?
I don't know how to be any more specific than that.
No, you gotta be more specific than that.
I don't think I can give you any more specific than a few minutes after I ID you.
Can I see the camera?
Correct.
Okay, so let me see it.
You're not going to see the camera tonight.
Okay, so you're not gonna see my driver license tonight.
Well, that's fine. Sit tight, okay?
Okay.
Can I get another unit here, please? And also, my driver's requesting a supervisor.
I wanna step out.
Not right now. Like I said, when my partner gets here, we can go through all of that.
I'm gonna keep my hands out, okay?
That's fine.
Yeah. Just go.
But before that
call
officer
your
comes,
supervisor.
I'm going to get him here too.
Yeah.
But I first need a driver's license. You don't want to give me one?
No.
Okay, that's fine.
'Cause
Sit tight. We're going to be here a few minutes.
Prove that I'm.
We're gonna do that.
Say I'm doing.
What's that?
You said what I'm doing. I'm speeding or what?
Speeding. Didn't stop at a stop sign. Didn't use a turn signal. Three
You
different
have
things.
Proof of that?
It's all on camera. Do you live at this unit or do you live at a different one?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well, sit tight then until my supervisor gets here. All right? We're gonna be here for a few minutes. All right? It's gonna take them a few minutes to get here.
No problem.
You do have a driver's license, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just don't want to give it to me until you see the proof?
I have everything. I'm legal.
I believe that you're legal.
I just don't believe you that I'm speeding and I just passed the stop sign.
What about the turn signal?
Which one?
When you turned in here?
Yeah, I put my turn signal.
Okay. All right.
But I wanna get out because
What's that?
I wanna get out.
Okay. Well, like I said,
I have headache, you know.
a headache.
Yeah, I wanna get out.
Okay. Well, don't get out like I said until my partner gets here.
Yeah,
okay?
but I have headache, so
Getting out will make your headache go away.
yeah.
Okay.
You wanna?
Not. Hang on. Like I said, I don't.
So my headache will stay on.
I would say I have no control over your headache.
Yeah, but if I get out, my headache will go away. You know.
Okay. Well,
My hands are out, right?
just like I said, we're gonna wait. Okay.
Can I just step out? You know. I mean,
It's not-
what's the problem.
If you
I'm not
get out and then there is a problem, well, no, that's what
I'm
it
not
can
a
happen.
killer. I'm not a. I'm just not a problem for you. You know.
Well, that's fine. I want you to stay in the car. Okay.
Headache and I wanna.
I would say take some breaths.
Okay.
The interaction devolved into an arrest for obstruction after the driver used sovereign citizen rhetoric to challenge the department's jurisdiction while refusing to stay in his vehicle.
Thank you.
Did I give you my keys?
You did. I'll make sure to get them back to you. Okay. No chance I get that ID before you my boss gets here.
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Can you repeat?
They say there's no chance you're gonna give me that ID.
For what reason?
Like I said, this is a traffic stop for speed.
Can you prove it to me?
I say I don't have to prove anything right now.
No, you have to.
No.
You're pulling me out for speeding, so you have to prove it to me.
Okay. Have you ever been stopped by the police before?
Yeah?
When they stop you, do they prove what they?
Yes.
And then you give them your driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm not sure who stopped you, but that's not how it works in Mount Prospect.
I don't know how it works in Mount Prospect, but
It's okay.
you said Mount Prospect?
Yeah, when you were driving, you were in Mount Prospect.
Yeah, but so you don't have authorities, right?
Yes, I do. I'm a police officer in the state of Illinois. My certification's good for the entire state.
But you told me Mount Prospect.
The other side of the street is Mount Prospect,
But
Illinois.
this is Prospect Heights.
It doesn't matter. When you were driving...
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I stop at the stop sign and everything.
Okay.
My hands are out, okay?
I appreciate that.
Don't show me the gun, okay? I'm out.
Do
you know the law or no?
I do know the law.
I don't think so.
Apparently you know it better, though.
I don't think so.
I think you know it better.
Can you show me the proof that I'm speeding, that I'm
I will.
passing the stop?
Don't worry. That comes later.
Because I don't think so.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Serbia.
The police in Serbia, are they not like us?
I don't know.
You don't know?
And honestly, I don't care because I like you. You know?
Uh-huh. What should I call you? What would you like me to call you? Do you have a first name?
Friend, just a friend.
Friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm cool, you know.
Yeah, you're
I don't want to.
I don't want any issues either.
By the way, I respect the United States Police. You guys do a very good job.
Thank you.
And I'm very proud of you being here, you know. There's a lot of criminal and stuff, but I never do something wrong, so I don't know. It's okay.
Okay.
I'm kind of uncomfortable like that.
You're uncomfortable?
Can I just...
My boss is coming right now, okay? Give me 1 sec. Once he gets here, then we can have you get out, okay? Because your officer want to administer any skill.
I'm not dangerous. I respect you guys. I don't want any trouble, so...
Well, that makes 2 of us, okay?
Yeah, so you can just know about me.
How you doing, man?
Hello.
Sergeant Berg, what can I do for you? I'm going to step over there, right? So I talk to you. Is that cool?
Can I step up?
Test.
Oh, is that where it's headed?
Well, looks like it.
Okay. I'm sure he told you why, right?
Looks like it.
Contact your home. If there's anything else to do, I'm going to leave. Okay? All right, sir. Good luck to you.
So, what we gonna do now?
He's going to tell you. It's not my job. It's up to him. I don't have any control of whatever he does. He can do whatever he wants to do with that, okay?
Sir, the first thing we need is a driver's license, proof of insurance, okay?
But prove me that I'm wrong.
That comes after. I first need to identify you.
That comes after.
When you get stopped by the police, you're required to provide proof of insurance.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, I'm not. You're required to prove me that I'm wrong.
That is inaccurate, but I will, once I ID you. This is a traffic stop, is it not?
Yeah, but what is the reason for this traffic stop?
I've explained it now multiple times.
Yeah.
Speeding,
So,
you didn't stop at a stop sign, and you didn't make a left turn.
Where is the proof of
It's
that?
all on camera.
Where is the camera? I want to see the camera.
I can't show you the camera right now. That comes
I
later.
can show you my documents.
You're required to show me the
Yeah,
documents.
but I'm not.
Okay, well, when you go to court, you can get all the proof you need, but we're not going to do that right now on the street.
Okay, my hands are out.
I appreciate that. I still need a driver's license and proof of insurance.
I need to prove that I'm wrong.
No, listen, okay? If you don't do what you're doing, you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing justice, okay? And you're going to go to jail, and you're going to pay $100 to get out of jail on top of $250 or another $100 for the traffic violation. So you have
For
two
what?
choices. Listen to me. You have
No,
two
for
choices.
what? For what
For
reason?
obstructing justice. That's what you're doing right now. You're required, Pennsylvania versus MEMS, provide your driver's license and insurance, okay? So you need to do that right now, or you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing, okay? Give out your driver's license right now, or you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing justice.
For what reason?
Okay? Because you're required to, as this officer told you.
For what reason? No, for what reason?
Come on
Come
out.
on, step out of the car.
You wanted to step out, so come on out. So
For what reason?
Because we told you to, and that's an order. And
For what?
I asked you for your driver's license and proof of insurance.
But for what?
For the traffic stop, for speeding,
Traffic stop.
for not stopping at a stop sign.
It's up to you at
Can
this
you
point.
prove me the traffic stop?
Get out of the car.
You have to do it.
Get out of the car.
No, you have to do it.
So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to place my hands on you. I'm going to pull you out of the car, and now you're going to catch a charge for resisting as well if you pull away from me. Do you understand that? So step out of the car.
Stop.
It is up to you at this point. You can walk away with a speeding ticket right now and not pay any money, or you can go to Class A misdemeanor and be arrested for obstructing justice and go to the station. It's up to you. Okay? Step out of the car now. All right, well, we're going to give him another couple of seconds here, and we're going to put our hands on him, and then we're going to pull him out. And if you do resist, you're going to be tased, okay? You can record all you want. Well, guess what? We're recording too. This will all be up for you for court.
Let me ask.
So why don't you want to get out of the car?
Let me ask you something. If I get out of the car,
You.
are you gonna handcuff me?
If you comply, we don't have to handcuff you.
Okay, let me get out
Okay,
of the car.
excellent.
But you guys make sure don't touch me.
That's fine.
We don't want to touch you.
Are you guys gonna touch me?
No, we're not going to touch you. You give us
Okay.
your driver's license, we're going to be out of your hair, and we're going
I
to leave.
have on the camera.
Yep, step around to the back of the car for us. You can keep the phone on you. That's fine. You can step right over there.
What's going on?
I stopped you because you were speeding. Right now, you have to identify yourself. That's required by the state of Illinois.
And what's next?
After that, you get most likely a citation. You didn't make a stop at Burning Bush and Old Willow. When you turned left into the apartment complex, you didn't use a turn signal. 3 different moving violations.
I didn't do this.
Okay, that's fine, but
You tell me I'm speeding, right?
correct.
But I didn't speeding.
That's fine. That's your opinion.
So how we gonna like?
You get to tell that to a judge later, not right now. Right? Once you get the citation, you get a court date. The court date's probably not for a month.
So
Right now, you have to identify yourself. All drivers in the state of Illinois are required to provide proof of insurance and a valid driver's license.
Guys, I'm not dangerous. I mean, don't just come around me like that.
That's fine.
I'm not dangerous.
Do you have a driver's license with you?
Yeah, I have.
Is it on you now?
No, it's in the car.
Okay.
Thank
And you guys just
Listen,
stressing me out right now.
Traffic
You know?
violation doesn't make you a criminal. Okay? You're not a
Yeah,
criminal.
but you just stressing me out.
All you got to do is give us your driver's license. We're going to be
But
done.
for what? For what reason?
We've already told you that. We're not going to keep
But
going.
I
on that.
want a proof of that, you know?
That's for court.
And I.
That's for court.
What do you mean that's for court?
When you get a citation that you disagree
if
with,
I ask for proof, that's my right. I mean, I know my rights, you know. I didn't do nothing wrong, you know.
Okay.
I mean,
There's nothing to argue. So,
I'm okay. I mean, I don't know what
yeah, it's gonna be
you
no
guys.
7.
I
okay,
don't know
turn around,
why.
place your hands behind your back. You're placed under arrest.
Please face the car.
You're going to jail. You talk yourself into jail. Turn around.
For what?
Okay.
For obstructing. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back. Thank you so much. We'll even let your phone keep running this whole time, sir. We appreciate you being compliant at this point in time.
I can get
Can you like just close my window or something?
Yeah, I'll make sure the car's all locked up, all right?
I don't know why you guys doing this.
Here's the beauty of our job. People make decisions for us. You made this decision for us tonight. All we want to do is give you a speeding ticket and go on our way.
Yeah, but I mean, I didn't speed or
All right,
something.
dispatch, now we have one male in custody.
You put my phone in my pocket.
We're gonna take care of all
No,
that.
I want my phone in my pocket.
You're not having anything in your pocket.
In my pocket.
It's not gonna go in your
Put
pocket.
it in your pocket.
It's gonna go in the car. Do you have anything on
I
you?
want to make sure my window.
We're gonna make sure. Right now, we're going to the car.
But if you guys put something in my car,
We're not gonna put anything in your car. That's why I'm bringing
I
your
don't
phone.
believe you
Well,
guys.
you'll see when you get charged.
Yep. No, I don't believe
Sir,
Being obstructing. That's what you're being charged with.
we need to go to the car right now.
Following the arrest on September 26, 2026, the driver's insistence on seeing immediate video evidence was rejected by the presiding judge, who reaffirmed that the roadside is not a courtroom for evidentiary discovery. Because he failed to produce valid insurance at the time of the stop, his vehicle was impounded and he was required to provide proof of a current policy and pay substantial storage fees to regain possession. The legal proceedings resulted in the driver being ordered to pay over $2,500 in fines and court costs for the combined traffic and obstruction charges. Additionally, due to the excessive speed recorded, more than double the posted limit, his driver's license was suspended for 1 year. Ultimately, his attempt to engage in a roadside legal debate resulted in a permanent criminal record and a costly lesson in the limits of pseudo-legal rhetoric. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.